How to react with emoji in Slack. Reaction says it all. Learn how to use emoji to reply fast, smarter, and with way more fun. So simply go on the group chat or DM or go on a group chat. There you can see join where you have a text. Hi everyone. Here you can see. So how you can react is simply by holding on it, tap on the message. There you can see a smiley face with a plus icon. If you tap on it, there the emoji section comes out. You can have any emojis written, heartbroken or any one you like this. You can add reaction or reply, add emoji in others text. You can react with emojis like this. You can also send emojis by simply over here you can see message. If you type a text, you can see emojis icon as well. You're angry like this, you can send emojis as well and react accordingly.